Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unsend messages and unsend photos on Snapchat. It's really simple and easy to do. Now, I'm going to show you guys a couple different methods and a couple different situations that you might find yourself in. So we're just going to open up Snapchat really quick. And once we're on Snapchat here, we just want to go over to our chats and just go over to a chat that you want to use this on. So I'm just going to open up a chat with myself here. And then let's just say, for example, we send it a random message. So I'll just type in a bunch of random letters. What you have to do if you send this message and you don't want it to be seen is quickly just hold over it, like long press on it. And then you will see a couple of different options here, one being delete. So you can just go ahead and click on delete. And then it'll tell you here what delete chat is. So when you delete a message, we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friends' devices. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat, but 90% of the time it does work, as most people update their Snapchat as often as they can. So you just click on OK and then delete, and then it will again be deleted from the chat. And as you see, if we exit out of here, it did not send that chat at all. It totally deleted it. It's not here at all. Now, for example, a photo. So if you go to your photos and you want to send a photo of something in the chat, it works similar to the same way as the chat does. So if we just long press on it, click on delete, and do the same thing again, it will then remove that from the chat as well. Anyhow, I really hope this video helped you guys out with showing you guys how to unsend messages and unsend photos on Snapchat. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.